Hi, I'm Rachel and this is Camping Cuisine on Leisure Bit, and today I'm going to be making fish finger sandwiches, homemade tartar sauce in the Ridgemonkey. Let's get cooking. So to begin with, my ingredients, I have got 6 fresh fish fingers, not the frozen ones, so they're chunky. I've got some really thick doorstep white bread so that it's really nice and tasty with the fish fingers. I've got a drizzle of oil for the Ridgemonkey, and the ingredients for the fresh tartar sauce are approximately 150 millilitres of mayonnaise, a squeeze of lemon, some parsley chopped, 3 gherkins chopped, and around about 2 tablespoons of capers chopped, and some salt and pepper. Let's get cooking. To begin with, I'm going to prepare the homemade tartar sauce, and it was really easy to make. So I've got my mayonnaise and I'm going to put in a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Give it a good squeeze. I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. Then I'm going to chop my gherkins, capers and parsley. They're all chopped, and you're simply going to put these in the jar with the mayonnaise, lemon, salt and pepper. And just give it a whisk round till all of the ingredients are mixed together. And there we have homemade tartar sauce. Alternatively, you can just buy a jar and use that on your fish finger sandwich. I'm now just going to bob this in the fridge while we prepare the fish fingers. Okay, we're ready to cook the fish fingers. The stove's on. I've got my faithful Ridgemonkey, and we're just going to put some oil inside. I'm going to put the fish fingers, I'm going to put that on to heat up first. I'm going to put my fish fingers in now that the oil's nicely warmed up. And shut the lid. And leave them to cook. I'm just going to check to see how we're getting on. Oh, they're cooking nicely. I'm going to give them a little shake. I'm going to flip them over. They're starting to cook well. Right, I'll just have a quick check and see how we're doing. Wow, they're starting to cook now. I think just a couple of moments longer. Right, I'm just going to do a check. Oh, they look as though they're ready. I'm going to turn the stove off. I'm going to bob back inside because you might have seen it's getting a little bit windy here. And let's serve up the sandwiches. That's better. I'm inside, out of the wind. So let's prepare the sandwich. I've got my bread. I've taken my homemade tartar sauce from the fridge. And I'm just going to put oodles of tartar sauce on there. Nice thick layer. I'm then going to get my fish fingers. Whoa, these look beautiful. I'm going to lay them lengthwise. Oh, how nice do they look? Give a sprinkle of lemon on top. I'm going to put another little bit of tartar sauce on the top. Let's construct this sandwich. Press it down nice and firm. I'm going to cut it this way, I think. And here we have fish finger sandwich, homemade tartar sauce, cooked in the Ridgemonkey.